Hi everyone, this is Joanne and I'm gonna cook for today is about grilled chicken lemongrass with Vietnamese nuoc cham. Alright, let's start and begin now. So I'm gonna have olive oil, so you can use any of your oil preferred. And then I'm gonna mix with the oil with a fish sauce. So fish sauce with here, okay. And then I have a sugar. This is 4 tablespoons. So I have like a 4 pounds of chicken. For the oil is about 8 tablespoons of olive oil, and then fish sauce will be 4 tablespoons, and this one is 4 tablespoons. So I'm gonna mix it. This is for 4 tablespoons as well, and a water. So water. So I'm gonna mix everything to combine. I'm gonna pour over here on the top. Ayan. Just like that, okay? We make sure that everything is coated, okay? So at least we try to massage. So i-massage lang po, ha? Massage lang ang ating chicken. So, magpupur ulit tayo. Ipupur na natin po lahat yan para yan, okay? Pur na natin yan. So, ma-massage ko lang ng konti. Yan, massage. Make sure yung kamay natin malinis bago tayo mag-massage ng chicken. Alright? Tapos, lahat ng gagamitin yung utensil, lahat ay dapat tuyo bago nyo ilagay yung mixture nyo. Kasi minsan, madaling mapanis yung yung pagkain. Pag yung mga ginamit nyo, mga halimbawa, itong mixing bowl na to, ginamit nyo mabasa, kahit na mayroon pang mga liquid dyan, kailangan lahat ng gagamitin nyo is tuyo. Then, I'm gonna add some lemongrass over the top, okay? Just like that. So, yan. Pupunasan lang natin yung gilid-gilid. Ano po? Yan. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng cling wrap. Yan. So, yan. I-marinate lang po natin siya ng mga 2 to 3 hours. Pero kung gusto nyo, hindi naman kayo nagmamadali din, pwede rin na 24 hours. So, yan po So, this is my grill. So, I just spray some oil. So, I use canola oil spray. And then, so we're gonna grill this one for until it golden. And for the meantime, we're going to make the nuoc cham sauce. So I have 2 tablespoons of lime that I squeezed earlier, and then gonna mix with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm gonna mix at least 3 cloves of garlic. So now I am mixing my garlic, my lemon, and then mix it up with the chili. So any chili will be alright. And then I mix it up with the water, maybe. Water. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Oh, delicious. Oh, it's so delicious, my God. So while we wait, I'm gonna set aside this one and cover with a cling wrap. Alright. So this is our dressing, okay? I will set aside now. I-flip lang po natin ang cold touch natin. So now I'm ready for assembling our chicken. Rice is ready. I'm gonna put some rice over here. You can use any type of a rice, any type of rice, but I use Calrose. So I have this one just on top of it, and then garnish with a basil, you know, basil, some few basil, put some cilantro, all the way here. We're gonna drizzle Nuoc Cham sauce. I'm gonna drizzle here. This is my finish, and yeah, alright, there you go, my grilled lemongrass chicken with Nuoc Cham sauce. So alright, let us taste it. So let me try, okay? So good. I can taste the lemongrass, just perfect, not so much like overpowering. And the Cham sauce, oh perfect. I love it. I'm happy. Makes my heart happy. I hope you like my video. Please like and share and follow me as always. Thank you so much and have a great night. Love you all. Bye.